it's overboard now. I want you to
Feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that heat of love. I wanna
ride the
I'm about to get ready to go to court. You ready? Close that. Close it. Good job. High five. High 10. Okay, high five. No? Okay, he's over me. I think mom's gonna come over and watch him. And then hopefully I can get back in time to make some dinner. Why are you pushing me? Do you have beef? Do you have beef? Because I have a burger. And it's not a turkey burger. Oh. Okay. I like the docile attitude. I like the switch up. It's necessary. It's necessary. Okay, let go. These dual textured facial buffers are from a company called Clean Logic. I use the soft side and I use the more aggressive side. Say, I am great. I am big. I am strong. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Yeah. I can. I will. I must. We're gonna do the makeup. We're gonna get cute. We gotta get zipped up, but mom will be here soon. Yes? So, I gotta do my hair. I'm gonna leave out crazy. But Gigi is here. Oh, you look so cute. Yes, girl. Killing them at 8 o'clock in the morning. You all right, son? You all right? Oh, okay, this is so cute. I gotta switch to a picture. Oh, you're wearing all black too. Congratulations on the mess that your clothes will become today. Your titties look nice though. You looked up like you gave the that's what you did. Having a cake gets so ghetto at times. Like, do y'all see this? This is from my bathroom. Oh wait, laundry. So I got some pizza. I'm definitely in love with easy meals and just buying naan and some sauce, you know, cheese, in this case, some zucchini and some tomatoes and some mushroom. Boom, you got a nice hearty lunch or dinner. My kitchen is always a mess. There's always something in my sink, so that's why that's on a cupcake sheet. Listen, it's still cooked. This is me smiling with my son's lunch and my nappy ass synthetic weave. Anywho, this happened. Just watch. Thank you for the huggies. Go play. What time is it, by the way? 11:06. We're having to stop. Get down. Get down. Say hi when you get. Come down so I can see you. That's how you gonna get down? That's
Get down. Grab the hair.
Who needs leave out? Yeah, he can't figure out how to pull himself up because of the way he's trying to do it. You got it? We'll figure it out. You are okay. All moisturized.
I was doing it.
Yeah, let's give you a little shake.
Alright, you have to go. You go, mommy.
Yeah,
Open the door. He said. I don't think I've expressed this to YouTube, but for a year I was without a car. I was afraid to drive. I was Ubering. Now I have my 2006 Kia, my sister's old car actually. I purchased from her and I'm comfortable driving and I'm looking forward to getting something better eventually. Now I don't got a car note and I'm enjoying that because they definitely quoted me like a $700 car note with good credit. Now I'm at the hair store just fixing some things because I realized I could not find 1B and then I found it. Everything was mixed up. This is not actually a part of my job, but customers couldn't find anything and I'm like, listen, I gotta make it my business to help because I'm here to help. I'm also childish. Somebody lost the track.